Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make a easy bird poster design in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will be choosing custom size here, and here I will choose the size as 1080 cross 1350 pixels. Okay, and after opening it I will go to elements here and quickly scroll down until I find frames here. Click on see all, and here I will search for letter frame. Click on see all. Here I will search for B, I, R, and D. Okay, so this frame selection is done. Now I will click on Ctrl A in the keyboard to select all of them. Okay, this one is done. Now I will go to elements again here, and I will search in here Kingfisher. I will go to photos, click on see all, and I will use this image. Okay, and I will flip horizontal, and I will go to edit. So after going to edit, click on adjust, increase the brightness, and scroll down to increase the vibrance. Okay, and increase the clarity. Okay, so this one is done. Now I will duplicate it 4 times more and place it on every frame. So just duplicate it once more and just keep it inside. Click on Ctrl X and add page and just keep it in the next page. Okay, and this one I will add in I, and here I will just click on it, make it bigger. So this is the dimension, and use the scales to mark it. Okay, and after that I will go for the next one, which is in D. So this adjustment is done. Now I will bring the main image here. Click on Ctrl X to cut the image and paste it here. And hold on Ctrl key in the keyboard because you don't want to add it to any frame here. Just make it bigger and click on BG remover. So background is removed. Hold on Ctrl and adjust the image to the main image here. and after that just crop out the part till I. Okay, so this is the main image is ready. Now we need to just work on the background part, and we will select here bokeh nature background. And we will select this image, rotate to 90 degrees. Right click and set image as background, and after that go to edit again. Click on adjust, scroll down to find color here, select the color and just move it to the edge here. Just keep it on 88 and after that just decrease the brightness. Okay, so our design is ready and I hope you like this tutorial. This is a very easy one to design and you can make it your own with your own designs or your own canvas pictures.